Lesson time!
Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to review some of the most common Patois translations for these subject pronouns. Feel free during any point in time in the video to pause so you can review what you're learning. Grab your pen and your paper now and make we start. Me. Me. Me live in Jamaica. You. You. You did go work today? Now this word is in the plural form of the word you. That is you, and you is uno. Uno. Uno, did you hear the school bell? Him. Him. I learn Patois. Now this next word, she, takes on the translation she and him. She, him. Note that him is used to refer to both male and female. Should you subscribe to this channel? In love them your lesson. Hit. E. Hit a go easy. It look empty. We love this channel. Them. Them think that channel ya shat. Okay, so was I being subtle? Anyway, now use what you just learned to translate the following into Patois. Be sure to look out for the answers in the next video. And remember, feel free to leave questions, comments in the inbox or in the message box below. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you and for our next lesson. Until next time, bye!